Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Michaela and this is Michaela's Maid. So today's video is going to be a wash and go video. It's going to be a wash and go tutorial, wash and go how to. I'm just going to be showing you guys products that I use as well as the techniques I use. Perfect for the summer. I also have the perfect, I'm going to show you all the products that you need to have if you're trying to do a wash and go. You just need it. So we're about to just get into this video.
Love my haircut, y'all. I think it's gorgeous. I think it's the perfect one.
So the way to get your wash and go to pop is to section your hair so you can apply the product evenly all around your hair. I section my hair by 4 big sections, and then I just take each section and do smaller sections as well. This is so necessary because my hair is thick. The magic product that I'm going to be using is... So this product is probably my favorite find of the summer. I found it in Walgreens for only $5. I'm going to have it linked in the description box because it is so good. Ampro Curl Enhancer. It's great. This is optional. This is water. I'm just going to spray it on a little more. I have conditioner in my hair, so don't worry. Just want to get these ends though. Ooh. Now I'm going to take a nice amount of this stuff. Start raking the product into my hair. Works so well on my natural, on my hair before I cut it. And I'm curious to see if it's going to work the same. Do you see these curls, y'all? Do you see? Do you see these curls? I'm excited. I'm telling you, take this section out, part it again. At the shine. You literally don't have to use any other product, y'all. You can just use this by yourself. Look. Good, it clumps your curls together. Now, if your hair isn't as coily, you can just do some finger coils if you want. I like to do a couple here and there. Oh, okay. You can make smaller or bigger sections depending on the type of hair that you have. Suggest if your hair is kinkier to use smaller sections. Now we're gonna take a little bit of Eco Styler gel, about that much, with my hands, kind of get it all up in my hands. Just kind of break your fingers through your hair lightly, just defining those curls, just to hold everything we did. Frizz wear. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna let my hair air dry for the rest of the day. It was like 100 degrees this day, so my hair dried rather quickly, and I'll be back to show you the results. So it's the end of the day, my hair is dry, it's soft, it's defined, it's moisturized, y'all. I swear, if you get that Ampro Curl Enhancer, like, you will not be disappointed, no matter what your hair type is. But yeah, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.